I think I might fix the problem where the screen is broken like that. That the screen is kind of rotated. So I'm gonna leave it that since I play Clash of Clans with the screen rotated, it's always like that. I'm gonna use the home screen rotated, and I'm gonna play Clash of Clans like if you're not playing Clash of Clans. So here you go. Oh yeah, I was already playing Clash of Clans. Just got my laboratory number 4. If you didn't see my first video, it was upgrading. I got a spell factory. My lyrics. And since I got a free builder, I can move this one box. And now move this bush. Look at this beautiful gem box. Just about to disappear in 10 seconds. $25 gem box. Another gem. Having some work today. I'm going to show you guys also a glitch with the builder. You're able to make him go outside of his hut and still be sleeping. So just gotta check what hut the builder is in. Okay, he's in this hut. And put it right here. What the heck? Did they patch it or something? Then you move it out and the builder is still sleeping. Then you press the edit base. No, you press the edit base. Damn it! Can't do it. Okay, you press the edit base. You edit a layout. You save it while still holding the builder hut. And then when you come back, the builder's outside. But you will mess up the glitch if you try to move the builder hut. When I was at Town Hall 5, I was getting attacked by heal spells, even a Barbarian King. And that's it. So that's why I've been revenging people. I usually max out everything before I go on to the next Town Hall. That's why I was a max Town Hall 5. And that's why I had enough gold to get all of them gold walls. And everything is max Town Hall 5 stuff. Builder base. Nothing as terrible as usual. Built. Giants can take 2 days. Well, I'll make the next video. This is going to be my second video. And see you guys later. Bye.